Hey y'all, hey, we are back with part two. I told y'all I was coming with the part two of my adventure to the Middle Eastern store to try out the viral Dubai chocolate, baby. This is what she is giving, okay? Let's try it out. I am super excited. As y'all know, it's been going viral all over the place. And I cannot wait. I traveled for this. Let's taste them. Okay, what we got here, my? What we got here? Gotta get that green stuff, the pistachio. Oh yeah, go. You want to pray first, cause you just went in them folks' store and you don't know what they talking about. They had that music blaring and blasting. Let's pray first. Pray over our food, because you know. Let's taste it. Got the green pistachio with the kanifty. Y'all know 10, 10, 10, 10. Highly recommend. Listen, these folks got the real deal products. Not them bars with that mushy stuff in there. You can't really taste it. This is it right here. Hope y'all enjoy. Like.